Okay guys, so this is Hitesh Tripathi and this is editorial video of question. Chef likes good sequences, code forces, code chef, October lunchtime 2020. Okay, in this question what we are having is chef calls a sequence good if it does not contain any two adjacent identical elements. Okay, it means you can call a sequence good if it doesn't contain identical elements. Fine. Now, what we are having is we are having a sequence of A1 to AN and we have Q queries. Okay. In each query, we get two things, a index X and second thing is a value Y. We have to change AX is equals to Y. Okay. In each query, we have to change value AX to Y, and after each query, we have to find length of longest good subsequence of the current sequence. Okay, a sequence is good, main thing to notice here is we have to find longest length of subsequence. Okay, longest length of subsequence means we have to find number of non-equal elements, you can say. Okay, number of non-equal elements in length of longest good subsequence such that जो भी two elements are non-equal. Okay, fine. Now note that queries are not independent. It means after every query your array will be updated. Okay, your array will be updated as ax is equals to y. Now main thing to notice here is a sequence is good only if two adjacent identical elements are unequal. Okay, and we have to find length of longest good subsequence. Okay, so initially what we will do is we will check how many elements are there such that it is not equals to its both adjacent elements. Okay, fine. And after every query we have to find this only. Okay, now what we are having this array. Okay, and initially what we will do, we will initially count how many elements are different from its adjacent elements. Like here 1 is equals to its adjacent element. Okay, so right now before any queries our longest good subsequence is obviously n minus 1. Okay, because 1 is equals to its adjacent element and value of n is 5, it means it will be equals to 4 before any query. Okay, after one query, that is 1, a of 1 will be 3. Okay, a of 1 will be 3 means, one second, let me zoom in. A of 1 will be 3 means you will change this one to 3, and now what will happen is this one will no more be equals to its adjacent element. Okay, it means it will always increase our answer count by 1. Okay, if it जो मेन प्रोसेस है, अगर वो क्या हो रहा है हमारे इस क्वेरी को परफॉर्म करने से वो जो एलिमेंट था वो एडजेसेंट एलिमेंट के अनइक्वल हो रहा है, then it will always increase our answer by 1. Okay, and after performing one query, if initially let's say this element is not equals to its adjacent element, okay, and you performed query 4 2, now this element become equal to its adjacent element, है ना? It means it will always decrease our answer count by 1. Okay, so what we have to do is we just have to check this index adjacent elements if it is increasing our count answer or not. Okay, so let me show you the code and you will get it easily. Okay, here it is. Take an input. Initially our answer will be n. Okay, now what we will do is I have taken array of an plus 2 for safe side. Okay, both side we have one extra elements. Okay, a of 1 will have adjacent element a naught and a of n will have adjacent element a n plus 1. Okay, that's fine. Now here I have taken input, then forget this. Okay, forget this. Now I have looped from 2 to n, and if anywhere my any element becomes adjacent to its become equal to its adjacent element, then I will simply decrease my answer count by 1. Okay, it is obvious. Okay, now we have initial answer. Okay, we have initial count of answer, number of elements which are not equals to its adjacent element. Now we will simply perform each query, which will be position and xx, and we will simply check that we have to increase our answer or we have to decrease our answer. Okay, and after each increase or decrease, we will simply update our array. Okay, how we will check we have to increase or decrease? It is simple. We will only check that a of position initially, if it is equal. Okay, we will simply check in which case we will increase our answer. The case will be initially it is element is adjacent to its equal to its adjacent element, and after changing it to value xx it becomes non-equal. Okay, in this case we will increase our answer. And what is the case of decreasing our answer? It is simple that initially element is not equal to its adjacent elements, and after changing it becomes equal. In that case we will simply decrease our answer. So at the end we will simply output the count. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be up solving all further questions and will post editorials of questions. Till then, if you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys for watching.